July 15, 1997, Red Fort, Delhi. The Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra completes its triumphant nationwide journey to encounter a grand reception, the like of which has never been witnessed in the capital since the heady Independence Day celebrations 50 years ago. Truly a fitting finale to a successful yatra. Dear viewers, may we invite you to join us in retracing the Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra and reliving some of its memorable moments? Karnataka. After travelling through Pune, Satara, Sangli, Kolhapur and other places in western Maharashtra for the first 2 days, the yatra headed south to the land of artists and patriots, the land of Veer Rani Kittur Chennamma. Here in a meeting at Shimoga, Shri Advani recalled the unsung heroism of Isur, a tiny village that declared itself independent in 1942 and paid the price for it with the lives of 9 freedom fighters. At a meeting, he said,
इसमें मैं केवल जनता का प्रशिक्षण नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं अपना प्रशिक्षण कर रहा हूँ।
जयंती पर्व महा करता है सबका आह्वान। वर्ण जयंती पर्व महा करता है सबका आह्वान।
Enter Kerala. In the land of swaying coconuts and lush green paddy fields, a big surprise awaits the BJP president. The Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra meets with a tremendous response in a state traditionally dominated by the communists. Many, including the leftists themselves, wonder, is Red Kerala turning saffron?
It's a sea of humanity in this fourth power, conveying to the Bharatiya Janata Party that the nation is looking forward to the BJP and to its leader, the Atal Bihari Vajpayee of hope.
The 3 days of the Rath Yatra in Kerala gave ample proof of the people's disillusionment with both the Left Democratic Front and the Congress-led United Democratic Front. Yes, Kerala is yearning to be liberated from the divisive and growth-stunting politics of casteism and communalism. The land that produced Patriot King and social reformer Narayan Guru is waiting to reassert its nationalistic moorings. From Kerala, the Swarna Jayanti Rath rolled into Tamil Nadu. At the border town of Sengotai, Shri Advani garlanded the statue of martyr Veer Vanchi before a cheering crowd. Such scenes repeated themselves when the BJP president paid tributes to the birthplaces of Veer Pandya Kattabomman, the great patriot king, who was martyred in the struggle against the British rule long before the First War of Independence. He also went to the birthplaces of Rashtra Kavi Subramanya Bharati, the great Congress leader K. Kamaraj, and other great sons of Tamil Nadu. May 28, a memorable day in the Yatra. On the birth anniversary of Swatantraveer Savarkar, Shri Advani visited the cellular jail in the Andaman Islands, where the great scholar patriot was imprisoned for 10 years along with thousands of other freedom fighters. Kalapani, as the Andaman Island was known then, is an eternal monument to humanity's irrepressible quest and struggle for freedom.
आडवाणी का साथ अटल प्रेम की ज्योत जगाओ, अडवाणी का साथ निभाओ, अटल प्रेम की ज्योत जगाओ, हृदयों में सद्भावना लिए, हृदयों में सद्भावना लिए, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, बोलो भारत की जय, सदा होगी विजय।
On the previous day, Port Blair witnessed the biggest public meeting in island's history. The highlight of the meeting was the felicitation of many surviving freedom fighters on the island. Incidentally, Shri Advani is the only national leader to have visited the cellular jail and highlighted its importance in the golden jubilee of India's independence.
स्वर्ण जयंती यात्रा का जो आयोजन भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने किया है, उस आयोजन ने मुझे, मेरे साथियों को अंडमान जैसे तीर्थ स्थानों पर लाया है, जो राष्ट्रभक्ति के लिए तीर्थ स्थान माने जाते हैं, जहां पर देशभक्तों की स्मृति एक चप्पे पर लिखी हुई है। यद्यपि उस बात की चिंता जो लोग शासन में बैठे हुए हैं उन्होंने नहीं की।
After the Andamans, the Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra entered Andhra Pradesh. Nellore in coastal Andhra gave a rousing reception to the BJP president, replete with an unending shower of flowers, burst of crackers and colourful lighting. The same level of enthusiasm was also seen when the Yatra travelled through the towns and villages of Telangana, where the people courageously defied the Naxalites' boycott threats and called for a Bandh.
अटल प्रेम की ज्योत जगाओ, अडवाणी का साथ निभाओ, अटल प्रेम की ज्योत जगाओ, हृदयों में सद्भावना लिए, हृदयों में सद्भावना लिए, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, जय राष्ट्र बोलो, बोलो भारत की जय, सदा होगी विजय। भारत माँ की हम संतान, देशभक्ति अपनी पहचान, भारत माँ की हम संतान, देशभक्ति अपनी पहचान।
After Andhra and the Marathwada part of Maharashtra, the Swarna Jayanti Rath Yatra arrived in Gujarat on June 4. In the afternoon, Shri Advani visited Karamsad, the birthplace of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Evening, he paid tributes to Bapu at his birthplace, Porbandar.
रथ के नायक ने बुलाया है, वह राष्ट्र मंदिर में का संदेश लाया है, वह राष्ट्र मंदिर बनाने का संदेश लाया है, फिर गांव-गांव और नगर में अलग जगाया है, और भ्रष्टाचार मिटाने का बीड़ा उठाया है, अपराधीकरण मिटाने का बीड़ा उठाया है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने यात्रा को जनसंपर्क का एक महत्वपूर्ण साधन बनाया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने यात्रा को जन प्रशिक्षण का एक महत्वपूर्ण साधन बनाया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने यात्रा को जन समर्थन जुटाने का एक प्रबल साधन बनाया है।